Good morning, everyone. Today, my lecturate topic is drug abuse. Drug abuse is a social problem affecting individuals, families, and society at large. It refers to the excessive or improper use of drugs such as narcotics, alcohol, and synthetic substances that are harmful for physical and mental health. In recent years, drug abuse has increased specifically amongst youth, posing a challenge to the national well being. There are several causes of drug abuse, including peer pressure, unemployment, stress, family problem, and curiosity. Easy availability of drugs and lack of awareness further worsen the situation. Once addicted, individuals often face health issues like depression, anxiety, organ damage, and loss of self control. From social perspective, drug abuse lead to increased crime, broken families, and loss of productivity. It also affects national security as drug trafficking networks are often linked with organized crimes and terrorism. Therefore, drug abuse is not just a personal problem but a national concern. The government has taken various measures to control drug abuse, such as strict law, border surveillance, awareness campaigns, and rehabilitation programs. Educational institutions, parents, and society play an important role in guiding youth towards positive activities like sports, fitness, and skill development. Drug abuses also affects the moral and emotional strength of society. Young adults can lose confidence, discipline, and long-term goals, which are essential qualities for nation building. Instead of contributing positively, they become vulnerable to exploitation by criminal networks. Early identification of addiction, counseling, and community support can significantly reduce damage. In conclusion, drug abuse can be controlled through awareness, strong willpower, family support, and timely intervention. A healthy and disciplined life is a key to drug free society and stronger nation. Thank you.